Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Shah. I'm a final year student pursuing computer science and engineering at RNG Patel Institute of Technology, Bardoli. As a data analytic intern in StarTech Academy, my second problem statement is in SQL. For this, I've provided two datasets, that is IPL matches and IPL ball. The first CSV file contains the data of ball by ball data, and it has information about the balls bowled between the year from 2008 to 2020. It has total 17 columns. For the second dataset, it has information and data about 816 IPL matches. It also contains 17 columns. I have given around 10 SQL queries to perform. I have performed my SQL queries in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Now, the first query is create a table named matches with appropriate data types for columns. So, I have created the table named mansi.dbo.matches. In this, there are around 17 columns with appropriate data types. For second question, I have to create a table named deliveries with appropriate data types for columns. I have created mansi.dbo.deliveries table in which I have 17 columns with appropriate data types. Mansi is the name of the database and deliveries is the name of table. Now for my next query, I have to input data from CSV file IPL matches attached in sources to matches. Now the table I have created in first query, that is matches, I have to add data into that table. For that, I have to add the data from the CSV file provided to me, that is IPL matches. For this, I will go in Mansi database, respective database. Then I will choose the tasks. From task, I will choose import data and the data will be imported. For my next query, I have to import data from CSV file IPL ball attached in resources to deliveries. Similarly, for my second table I have created, that is deliveries, I have to add the data from the CSV file IPL ball. Now for question 5, I have to select top 20 rows of the deliveries table. I will have to select top 20 rows from the table mansi.dbo.deliveries. In this, I have used the function select top 20. The function top 20 will return the 20 rows from the top from table deliveries. For my next query, I have to perform select the top 20 rows of the matches table. Similarly, for matches table, I have to fetch top 20 rows. For this, I have used function top, select top, and got the top 20 rows from matches table. For my next query, I have to fetch data of all matches played on 2nd May 2013. In this, I have used the where clause, and gave the condition which I want, that is I want the data of the matches played on 2nd May 2013. So this will fetch me the data of the matches which are played on 2nd May 2013. So these two are the matches which were played on 2nd May 2013. For my next query, I have to fetch the data of all matches where the margin of victory is more than 100 runs. in this also I have used where clause where the condition is result margin greater than 100. So this will give me the matches which has runs greater than 100. So these are the matches which has result margin greater than 100. For my next query, I have to fetch data of all matches where the final scores of both teams tied and order it in descending order for the date. Now for this, the where clause contains the condition, that is I want the matches which were tied. So in this I have given the condition result is equal to tie, and also I have to order the data in descending order of the date. For this I have used the clause order by, in which I have chosen the column date and given the descending sort. It will return me the data where match has been tied and also in descending order of the date. For my next query, that is get the count of cities that have hosted an IPL match. In this query I have to get the count of cities where IPL matches were played. For this I have used the function group by. I have applied the group by on city, which will group by different cities, and also I have used the aggregate function count to count the city. So these are the cities where IPL matches are played, and also the count of IPL matches played in these respective cities. Thank you for watching.